Hello, I'm Scott with Sean's Photography, and today we're going to go over our little DIY 360 gel kit. Here is an acrylic tube. It's split in half, and it snugs onto this tube very well, and it fits identical. Because, of course, I cut it down to size. The basic way to do that is just grab your, once you cut it and split it in half, just lay it around your tube, lay a piece of tape over the top of it, and cut off the excess. So you cut both pieces at the same time so it fits perfect. Again, this is a fluorescent cover that you can get at Home Depot. Here's our gels I pre-cut to size. They are 4 1/16 or 4 1/8. I don't remember right off the bat. But you just basically roll this in, just like this. Just roll it. Slide that right into the tube. And of course, I always put it opposite of the crease. So then when I slide this over, I do not get a double up of my gel. So it's not going to have a streak down the side where it's going to be a darker CTO than normal because it's cut to size to fit around the bulb and fit this gel cover. Again, just slides right on there perfect. It does get caught up on this little thing in here, but once you get past it, it's perfectly fine. Again, here's my gels that I pre-cut, so I've got all my CTOs in here. I've got full, half, and quarter. Here's some extra covers I made, and I've got a rubber band strapped around it, or a hair tie, just to squeeze it tight so that they stay consistent and tight around this tube. Because again, then we can slide as many gels in there as we want. You don't have to worry about these gels melting or anything like that because these are made for consistent light. These are Lee gels, and they can handle. I know they handle well over 1,000-watt continuous lights. And of course, if you ever grabbed a 1,000-watt continuous light, it'll melt your hand. Just the metal on it alone is just so hot. These flash off so fast and cool down so fast, they don't have time to melt these. The only time that you're going to have a problem with any kind of melting is if you're covering this flash tube with black and it's opaque because it can't transfer the light out the side, so it causes it to melt where the light passes through these gels. Again, this is a DIY gel kit for the 360. Go out and make one for yourself. My name is Scott with Sean's Photography, and thank you for watching.